Good morning, everyone. I gotta be kind of quiet. Everyone's still sleeping in the house. I found out why Ormus or monatomic silver gold works, and why so many videos say you need dead sea salt. Let me explain two things. The stronger kind of monatomic gold or Ormus, the stronger kind uses lye, which is poisonous. So that kind of scares me, but apparently people say it's good, but I don't want to go off what people say. The poor man's way of doing it is the way I post it on my YouTube, which is less effective and less results. But the reason they work, the reason they tell you to choose Dead Sea salt, which are bath salts, is because they have the highest mineral composition in them. But why? How? So then I did some research, which was really hard to find, to where salt can be charged. Yes, salt can actually be charged. And how else could you get tons of minerals into salt? The sun. If you put a bowl of salt with water in the sun for maybe 2 days or 3 days, then you are more likely, how do I say this in an easy way? The salt will be electrically charged. See, I have a strong belief that the Ormus and it's the same thing. The elixir of life, Ormus, monatomic gold. I believe the reason it's making people heal and be electrically charged isn't because of the other ingredients they put in there. It's because of the electrically charged salt. Because pink Himalayan sea salt is supposedly really healthy for you. But no one really says why. They say it's full of minerals and all that stuff, just like dead sea salt. But dead sea salt is poisonous if you consume it. It worries me that all these things happen, and I would really just suggest to buy it from someone who sells it with high reviews. Trevor7 on YouTube actually explains how to make it, but it's very complicated and it will take probably $200 to get all the equipment. So if you're poor or you don't have money, I'm going to try and do it using the sun. Because I found dozens of YouTube videos of people using solar panels to electrically charge salt water, and they can charge their phones, they can charge lots of things. Everything can be charged with salt water. This I didn't know. Like, wow. And what's the quickest source of power? The sun. The sun also gives minerals to your body. So because there's a lot of hippies that put crystals under the sun, but you can't eat crystals. You can, but it will shred up your insides. Crystals are put in the sun to increase the vibrational field of the crystal, because crystals can do that, but it's a weak vibrational field. It's really, really weak. So salt has been proven with machinery that it carries a high electric charge when put in the sun with solar energy. I'm going to test this out, and instead of doing all the processing, I'm going to electrically charge it with the sun, and I'm just going to consume it and see what happens. Yeah, pretty much. Okay, have a good day, everyone, and stay sexy.